Every year, America consumes over 1 billion pounds of peanut butter. But have you ever wondered how factories turn roasted peanuts into that thick, creamy, crunchy spread you enjoy every day? Today on Prosexo, we're going inside a modern U.S. peanut butter factory, where skilled workers, precision machines, and careful quality control come together to create the perfect crunch. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Prosexo for more cinematic factory tours from around the world.